Welcome to your mock interview, Anjali. Let me just quickly introduce to our panelists. We have Abad sir and Krishna sir with us. All the best, Anjali. Over to you, Abad sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Uh, Hi, Anjali. How are you doing?
I'm good, sir.
So, are you doing with the mobile?
No, sir, from laptop.
So, you're holding this mic with you, right? Okay. So, would you like to introduce very quickly for why did you choose this fashion in the college?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you.
Hmm.
My name is Anjali Pandey, and I hail from Varanasi, which is also known as spiritual ground, which crosses the holy river Ganga. My family has 4 members, including me. My father is a uh, lecturer in a well-reputed college, and my mother is a homemaker. I did my schooling from St. Patrick's School and also did graduation from in BCom from Tilakdhari College, Varanasi.
Mm-hmm.
My interest lies in sketching, dancing, and cooking.
Hmm.
And my strengths are my analytical approach, and I believe in being realistic. That's all about myself.
So, who cooks in your family?
Uh, Mostly my mother, but sometimes I cook.
Because you say you like it, right? Okay.
Yes.
So why did you choose this fashion only? Why not other streams? Because if you talk about other streams, also very good, right? What was the only one reason would you like to tell about to choosing this college?
So that time, my parents were not convinced, and I was not financially stable also. And
Hmm.
now I have made them convinced, and I'm financially sound also. That's why I choose my career
Hmm.
of designing in
Hmm.
the field of fashion.
All right. Sir, over to you.
Well,
Hello,
Anjali,
sir. Good afternoon,
hi.
sir.
How are you, Anjali?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So, well, Anjali, the one thing which drive you towards this field since bachelor you want to do it. So there's one thing, something kuch to mind mein hoga na why you want to do this.
Yes, sir. Because while pursuing BCom, I have observed the market structure, and I'm also good with the numbers. I wanted to enter into the business and retail side of the fashion industry and work as a retail manager in a well-renowned
Well, so
brand.
this is something you decided when you get to know अच्छा अब तो MFM option में है. Then I'm talking about since your plus two you want to do something in fashion or design, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you don't have option with B design. So that's what you're looking in management side of.
Yes, sir.
So there you are finding it what you can do it. That I got it. I'm asking it the one thing which is common. At that moment also you want to do it. Today also you want to do it.
So I always wanted to enter into the fashion field, but
That's
as
what. Why? What is that one reason is?
so, because sir, at the time of my graduation, my parents were not convinced, and we were not financially stable also. So,
See, something motivate me. I want to look muscular, so I will do everyday exercise. So that is what may motivate me towards that. And I am not bothering it, so I don't do it. So I'm asking that point. I'm not asking what is the financial or family condition. What is the one thing which is still driving you towards it? जो अच्छा नहीं ये तो करना ही करना है. बीडेस नहीं वो आप एमएफएम करेंगे मार्केटिंग करेंगे बट करना तो यही है. वो एक रीजन क्या है? Are
so
you getting my question, Anjali?
yes, sir. So,
Yeah, I'm asking you. I mean,
yes,
आपको क्यों करना है वो अभी भी?
so MFM is a field where we can develop our managerial and
All right,
leadership
Anjali,
skills.
I would like to ask you the next question now. Uh, who is our finance minister right now? Sorry.
So, Mrs. Nirmala Sitaraman.
Okay, okay. Well, who is the one lady who inspired you to become a successful entrepreneur or self-dependent? कौन है एक जिनको देख के आपको इंस्पिरेशन होता है?
So she's my mother. She always motivates me.
She motivate you, but मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं. मॉम तो होम मेकर है, तो तब तो आपको इंस्पायर होने का मतलब वो आप होम मेकर बनना चाहते हो. Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे बताओ कौन ऐसा कोई और है जिसको लगता नहीं अच्छा नहीं ऐसा बनना है मुझे. It's good, like, you know, I also respect my parents. Everybody have, like, you know, I want to be like them. But when it's come to my profession, so I want to become like certain designer. या ऐसा बनना है या ये करना है. Are you getting it? Profession or your personal emotion is two different things. Obviously, parents are always our great mentor or teacher. कोई नहीं, अभी नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Honestly, you just say no. I mean, that's it. I think, Anjali, you need to be relaxed, calm down. Do not worry. I'm not. Yeah. Over to you, Awad sir.
Okay. Hi, Anjali. You just got nervous.
Yes. वही देख हम लोग.
What's wrong? We have done of it. I mean, this PI. Can you just let me know what is the reason why you got this nervous? Because of so many questions are asked to you.
I'm not nervous today. I'm fine.
Why are you nervous? We don't
Yeah.
need nervous students.
You didn't have your breakfast, Anjali, today?
Sir, I had.
You had, तो आवाज भी नहीं आ रही आपकी. Panelists will be not always this good, Anjali. हाँ, थोड़ा relax करिए, थोड़ा बात करिए open होके, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, or it's something was offensive. Did I ask you ऐसे mom क्यों आपकी inspiration है ऐसे ये कुछ हुआ क्या हुआ बताओ? नहीं? हाँ.
No, sir.
नहीं तो फिर क्यों आप ऐसे आप से उसे उसको प्लान करना. You are getting it what I'm trying to tell you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, or question flow is different. जो suddenly वो finance minister then inspiration then ये you are not prepared for that. अच्छा नहीं इतना flow change होगा. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
No. Oh, you answered like this only.
मुझे लगता है ये नर्वस हुई है सर. कृष्णा सर वैसे तो बोल रही थी ये लास्ट टाइम भी. तुमने माइक तुम्हें पता है कैसे करना है ये तुम ध्यान रखो अंजलि. ये माइक को ना पीछे से ऐसे लेके आने का ऐसे ताकि यहाँ पे माउथ के पास आ सके. तुम्हारी माइक बहुत नीचे है तुम्हारा, ठीक है? तो ये इसके से आवाज नहीं जा रही है.
अरे अंजलि ऐसा तो नहीं है जो सर एक और रीजन हो सकता है. ऐसा तो नहीं हम दो लड़के इसीलिए आप ज्यादा कॉन्शियस हो रहे हो. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो मतलब बिकॉज़ सीरियस वी आर हियर टू ensure you should have a great marks or result. क्योंकि पैनलिस्ट में कभी कभी ऐसा भी होगा you will join there will be 3 lady or you may join there are 3 male या 2 male 1 female panelist. तो is that you are not comfortable particularly? ऐसा कुछ है आज?
No, sir.
नहीं ना. तो आप आंसर एकदम वैसे दे रहे हो जैसे वो मतलब you don't mind जब हम कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स वगैरह से कुछ फिक्स क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो एकदम फिक्स आंसर आता है ना. मतलब एक कॉमन रिलैक्स करें. यू सी आवाज से कैसे बात कर रहे हैं. गेटिंग इट?
Yes,
अच्छा अब अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दो. आप एकदम बड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दो. आई जस्ट वांट यू टू स्पीक तब जाना.
yes.
चलो शुरू करो.
So, my name is Anjali and I was born and brought up in Varanasi, which is also known as spiritual ground. A place of temples which possess the holy river Ganga. My family members, I have 4 members in my family, including me. My father is a lecturer in a well-reputed college, and my mother is a homemaker. And I did my schooling from St. Patrick's School, and also did my graduation from Tilakdhari College, Varanasi. And my strengths are my analytical approach. I believe in being realistic. My interest lies in dancing, cooking, and sketching, and I've started sketching at my early ages. That's all about myself.
All right. Thank you. I got it. You speak to the point to point आप बात करते हो. You don't like to make stories. कई बच्चे अपना एजुकेशन बताना शुरू करते हैं तो वो फिर उसमें भी लंबा सा ऐसा. सो गुड. आई मीन आई गॉट द पॉइंट. या आवाज सर, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू टेल her?
I think you need to. कब है तुम्हारा?
सर 29.
कब?
सर 29 April.
29th बता रही हूँ. थोड़ा देखो आप
अच्छा,
कहाँ पे,
ठीक है।
आपको वही मैं बताने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अंजलि. अभी आप देख रहे हो कहाँ पे इंप्रेशन देना. यू हैव टू, व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेट आल्सो, किसी का नाम कुछ भी तो वो क्लियर होना चाहिए. ऑनलाइन भी है ना ये मीटिंग, थोड़ा आराम से क्लियर कंफर्टेबली बात करेंगे.
ये आपके पास 4 दिन है अंजलि, थोड़ा सा ये सब सेटअप पहले ठीक करिए, ठीक है, जहाँ से आवाज क्लियर आए और
Yes, sir.
कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाइए, ठीक है. बहुत
Yes, sir.
जरूरी है, नर्वसनेस नहीं होना चाहिए. कोई क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछ ले जिससे आपका फेस एक्सप्रेशन ही चेंज हो जाता है, ऐसा लगता है कि क्या पूछ लिया मैंने, अब ये बताएगी नहीं बताएगी, डाउटफुल है, दोबारा दूसरा पूछ ले क्वेश्चन. तो डोंट मेक इट लाइक दिस. यू आर नॉट अ किड एनी मोर, राइट? वी कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट यू डू दिस किडिश थिंग. बस समझ में आ रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये पहले आप सेटअप ठीक करिए, चेहरा अपना ठीक करिए और पानी लेके बैठिए अपने पास में, ठीक है. आवाज नहीं जा रही तो पूछिए कि am I audible to you, comfortable with me asking the question or not. सब चीजें होनी चाहिए. आपके हिसाब से नहीं पूछ सकते, हमें अपने हिसाब से क्वेश्चन पूछना होगा.
Yes, sir.
बात समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो नर्वस नहीं होना एकदम, और डरना भी नहीं. कोई पत्ता नहीं फेंक के मार देगा आपके ऊपर. You need to calm down yourself and see how they are asking the question. If you get nervous, just say, can I have a sip of water? It's fine. कोई आप पहली बंदी नहीं होंगी जिसको नर्वसनेस होती है, सबको होती है. हम भी जाएंगे भी इंटरव्यू के लिए गए तो हमें भी होगा. But it's all because we are on other side. We just asking the question.
ट्रू ट्रू. दिस इज रियल फैक्ट. अभी मुझे भी देना है तो मुझे भी उस क्वेश्चन से
सबको होता
जाएगा
है,
सर. तो भी
लेकिन ये
होगा.
कोशिश करिए चीजों को आप समझिए, हम आपके बेहतर के लिए कह रहे हैं, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो जाओ. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
अंजलि आप स्माइल करो. इतना अच्छा नाम है आपका. स्माइल. आप इतना सच बता रहे थे. अगेन यू बिकम ओबीडियंसी. स्टे हैप्पी. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल राइट.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Yes, sir.
Stay safe. Take care.